You can clearly see that you're not more than 1/4 of an inch. Alright, we just failed our electrical inspection. The inspector says we needed spark guards. But wait a second, we have tile on our backsplash. Why do we need spark guards? Or why do we need to extend the box to the finished surface of the tile? If it's tile, I mean, tile can't catch fire. If there's a spark, there's no risk of a fire. Why do we need spark guards? Let me show you. So, first off, what is a spark guard? A spark guard is an electrical term. They're called many different things. With your device installed, they extend your installation flush to the finished surface. This is just an example of a non-metallic one. They make metal ones. They make different shapes and sizes for different types of boxes. This one is pretty standard. Comes with instructions. And even the instructions have a UL listing. The package is listed right there, UL. And you always want to make sure that whatever product you buy, they're listed for each other. So in this case, this is a listed assembly. You would need the proper extension ring for this box. This is obviously non-metallic and not designed for this box. Do not ever try to modify something. You're going to void the listing, and you're not going to have a listed assembly. That's very important. Alright, so back to the whole non-combustible thing. The code doesn't care. The code says non-combustible in the text. Let's look at it. Installations within or behind a surface of concrete, tile, gypsum, plaster, or other non-combustible material. Let's stop there. It says non-combustible material right where that pencil is. Doesn't matter if it's tile, whatever it is, and not set back more than 1/4 of an inch. So let's continue. Including boxes employing a flush type cover or faceplate shall be made so that the front edge of the box, plaster ring, extension ring, or listed extender will not be set back of the finished surface more than 1/4 of an inch. Installations within a surface of a wood or other combustible surface material, boxes, plaster rings, extension rings, or listed extenders shall extend to the finished surface or project therefrom. If you are combustible material, you don't even get the 1/4 of an inch. So let me give you a demonstration. There's our wall. Here's our box. You can clearly see that you're not more than 1/4 of an inch. But when you add tile or wood or something to the face of this sheetrock, now you need one of these. So a typical house installation, we're not going to have any issues. You start getting fancy and start putting paneling on your walls, now you're going to have some issues. You're going to need to have one of these, and if it's wood, you can't be set back more than 1/4 of an inch. You have to be flush. So you're going to need these. Or you can get these special extendable boxes. They make those too. Now that you know this code, you can plan your jobs more efficiently. However you do it, you need to make sure you comply with Article 314.20. Alright, so remember, non-combustibles, 1/4, combustibles, no tolerance, must be flush. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Subscribe for more.